this episode, Kate learns how to monetize her skills. Join us, let's find out how. It's Kate's birthday. Her parents have decided to throw her a big birthday party, and Kate has decided to make her delicious chocolate chip cookies for her friends and neighbors that would be coming around.
Mom, I'd like to make my chocolate chip cookies for everyone coming for my party.
What a splendid idea, Kate. I am sure they'll all love it.
Kate gets started on the cookies. The cookies come out perfect and Kate is very happy with the result. Few hours later, guests start arriving for Kate's birthday. Kate dresses up beautifully and proceeds to welcome them and share her delicious cookies.
Happy birthday, Kate.
Thank you, Auntie.
I brought you a present.
Oh wow, Auntie. I love it. I'm going to name him Henry.
That's a lovely name.
I have something for you too.
Kate then goes to bring the tray of cookies.
Have some of the cookies I made by myself.
Kate's aunt takes a bite of the cookies.
Oh wow, you made these yourself?
Yes, Auntie.
Wow, they're very delicious. I have never tasted any cookie as good as this. Good job, Kate.
Thank you, Auntie. I am glad you like it.
More guests arrive and Kate is happy to see all her friends. They all enjoy the birthday party and Kate shares her cookies for everyone. She begins to ask about the delicious cookies.
Wow, Kate, did you really make these cookies?
Yes, Kate. Did you really make them?
Yes, I did. Do you like them?
Yes, they're very, very delicious.
Very delicious. I would like to have some more.
Thank you all. Unfortunately, I have run out of cookies, but I will make some more and bring them to school next week.
Few hours later, the party ends and everyone leaves for their various homes. Kate and her family begin to clean up and they discuss how successful the party was.
Kate, did you enjoy your party?
Yes, I did.
I am glad you did. And everyone really enjoyed your cookies.
Yes. Even your aunt was telling me how proud she was.
Yes, it was great to see that everyone enjoyed them. I can't wait to make a new batch and take it to school next week.
Kate, I hope you know you'd be spending money and resources on making a new batch. I don't think you should give everyone your cookies for free.
What do you mean, Mom?
I mean you should start selling your delicious cookies instead of giving it out for free, especially as you work hard and put a lot of effort into making them. Making money should be the reward for your efforts.
So you mean I can make money from selling my cookies?
Yes, my baby, you can.
Alright, Mom. That sounds like a great idea. That way I can start saving from the money I make too.
Exactly, Kate. I'm so proud of you. You are so brilliant.
We have come to the end of this exciting episode. In the next episode, Kate learns what a kidpreneur is.